Here's some moss growing on some 30-year-old 3-tab shingles on an A-frame. And then there's an area here where there's no moss growing. And the reason there's no moss growing here is that the water that comes off the service head here, that's a galvanized pipe. And because it's galvanized, those materials flow down the shingles and there's no growth. Nothing ever's been done on that, so that's kind of an odd situation. There's no moss growing on the shingles here. This has an angle of about 60 degrees. It's equilateral triangle. We got gobs of moss out in the woods. There's a service head, and this is near the edge of a opening here, so there's not as much moss. But clearly here there's no moss at all, and that's due to the zinc galvanized, I guess it's galvanized pipe here. So water flows down here, gets on the shingles and kills off. There's no growth at all. Nothing's ever been done. It's kind of weird. Got a lot of leaves. There's the moss not growing underneath the galvanized weatherhead. I'll zoom in, get closer. The zinc or galvanized is toxic to the moss on the shingles.